I'm the Pope and I can play with every human. Hustle between my praise and direct everyone like a puppet on a string. Ages ago I had an idea. What about being the chief? I could write books and read everything the rest of them had to believe. I made wars to make sure I get rich, they stay poor. Oh, I'm the Pope and I can play with every human. I'll struggle between my praise and direct everyone like a puppet on a string. I kept in secret whatever I could, never told them what's up. I invented some laws and some rules, just to keep their mouths shut, know what I'm saying? I made wars to make sure I get rich, they stay poor. Oh, I'm the Pope and I can play with every human. I'll go between my praise and direct everyone like a puppet on a string. Like a puppet on a string. Hell yeah, that's right.